MBLY stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at Mobileye global stock and I'm like, right, man, like I'm not a big fan, let's be honest. Like beforehand here was like a short side, and then now we're here. I mean, I definitely have to understand the higher time frame just to kind of understand the ranges and whatnot. But to be perfectly honest, it's kind of on the bleeding edge because this is still a demand area. And if inside demand areas, we typically look for buys. And if I see my rules met, I'm talking like about the Y curve accumulation, I'll like rather definitely long, but obviously rules must be met. And nobody's patient, right? Nobody's patient. But obviously I'll keep you updated. And this is just my idea and bias on this. This is not financial advice, just my own opinion. Waiting for the rules to actually happen. Only for now, not forever. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description and I'll see you in the next one.